Hey y'all, thanks for joining us today. We have a goodie box from FearFest that we're going to unbox. Let's see what we got. Alright, this year FearFest is hosted by Janelle Monáe and so much talent, let me tell you. They even have a section where she gets movies she has recommended. Alright, let's see what we have. Ooh, that's nice. Ooh, nice Bacardi, Superior. Oh, and I love the decal. Wow. Oh, these are absolutely beautiful. See the detail on it? It's all etched. Wow. Love it. So pretty. These make it so easy to measure to get the perfect pour because you don't want to over pour. People get you drunk, they get DUIs, really bad things happen. You don't want to do it. So pour right. You can got a shaker here that matches. Wow. That's nice. So I guess I know what I'm doing this weekend. I'm watching FearFest and having a drink. Y'all should join me. Thank you so much, AMC FearFest and Bacardi, for the gorgeous collection. Absolutely love it. Y'all have a happy Halloween.